It's become common knowledge that FIDIC conditions of contract are increasingly being used in the international construction industry and in projects financed by international development banks. A condition for successful international expansion is that the consulting engineer, the contractor, or other professionals involved in the management of works contracts need to be conversant with the main FIDIC contracts. Having worked with contractors, employers, and consultants ourselves in the past, we have been frustrated how projects were not being run successfully as a consequence of the fact that the contract is not being fully understood. So we were really passionate in leading the development of this course to ensure that the FIDIC contracts are fully understood and correctly implemented on projects.
The course is quite unique. As the authors of the condition of contract, FIDIC will well be the best entity that can provide such a course. And FIDIC is recognized worldwide to provide excellent standards of training that are second to none. The course is very intensive, very comprehensive. It is conducted over a period of 4 months. Within the course, we've got a lot of interactive coursework and case studies to ensure that participants get a genuine understanding of the FIDIC contracts and its implementation.
The Module 1 course program is based on lectures in combination with directly related casework through which participants will work on real-life cases and practice application of the various FIDIC contract conditions. The casework will take place on a chat type of platform where the course participants present and discuss a case input in writing. Presentations, assessments, and discussions of the submitted replies will take place in an online classroom. This online course only requires that participants have access to a computer with internet connection either at their workplace or at home, whichever is more convenient in regard to the timing of the sessions. Work assignments may be undertaken at any time. Lectures and classroom participation requires being available at predetermined hours. Participants will be divided into groups according to the most suitable time zone.
So this course will provide a very flexible and unique opportunity to attend online from anywhere in the world, from the comfort of your home, your office, otherwise maybe even from a hotel. The course is designed to conveniently fit in your schedule, where sessions are scheduled to last less than 2 hours each, and the sessions are scheduled 2 weeks apart, on an average of 2 sessions a month. Additionally, these sessions will be recorded for an on-demand access should you not be able to join the live sessions. Participants will have access to the full online platform, including the slides, course material, recording of the sessions, discussions, etc. for a period of 1 year from the start of the course. In addition to the electronic course slides and materials, participants will receive hard copies of the FIDIC Red Book, the Yellow Book, and together with an electronic copy of the FIDIC Contracts Guide, all within the course fee. And I think that is a quite good set.
Session 1 kicks off with an introduction to FIDIC, and then it moves on into FIDIC contract documents, introduction and principles. Session 2 will start with a group of subclauses called responsibilities of the main parties by starting to explain Clause 1, general provisions, and Clause 2, the employer. Then Session 3 will continue in the same group by explaining Clause 3, the engineer, and Clause 4, the contractor. In Session 4, we will end responsibilities of the main parties by explaining Clause 5, nominated subcontractors of the Red Book, and Clause 5, design of the Yellow Book, and the start of another group which is called management of projects by explaining Clause 6, staff and labor, and Clause 7, plant, materials, and workmanship.
Husni and I will jointly conduct each session, and you will see where it is obvious to have the same understanding and there's room for discussions. It's going to be very interesting. The second half of the course will contain the following. Session 5, Clauses 8, commencement, delays and suspension, and Clause 10, employers taking over. Session 6 contains the Clauses 9, test on completion, 11, defects liability, 12, measurement and evaluation in the Red Book or test after completion in the Yellow Book. Session 7, Clauses 13, variation and adjustment. That's going to be very interesting. And Clauses 14, contract price and payment. Session 8 covers Clauses 15, termination by the employer. Clause 16, suspension and termination by contractor. Clause 17, risk and responsibilities. Clause 18, insurance. and famous Clause 19, force majeure. Final Session 9 covers claims, dispute and arbitration, which is all you can find in Clause 20.
We had some really positive feedback from participants who previously attended this course. Many stay in contact telling us how successful they are in their projects after attending the course. There are two key benefits that participants get from attending the course in addition to the obvious benefit of the acquired unique knowledge and know-how. Firstly, participants successfully completing the course will receive the highly regarded FIDIC course certificate. Secondly, given that the course participants will be literally from all over the world, this will present the participants with an invaluable opportunity to network with other participants that would not have been possible otherwise. These are some of the reasons why the course is held in high esteem within the construction industry.
This training course is specifically designed for professionals from government ministries and agencies, public contract administrators, private sectors employees, consulting engineers, contractors, quantity surveyors, architects, legal advisors, and all related professionals involved in FIDIC contracts and contract administration in international projects. Looking forward to see you there.